Anthropic released Claude Fable 5 this week, the first Mythos-class model the public can touch. Capability claims everywhere. But here's the question nobody's answering. What does it actually do for client work? In this video, 4 concrete jobs. Fable 5 changes today, the math on when it pays for itself in a single project, and the brief once-run-for-day setup that makes it work in an agency. Let's go. Job 1. The audit. The standard agency audit eats a senior consultant for a week, pulling every brand asset, doc, and report, running each one against the audit framework, mapping the gaps, drafting the deliverable, then peer-reviewing it. Fable 5 is built for this kind of long-horizon work, Anthropic's own positioning, planning across stages, delegating to sub-agents, checking its own logic. One agent harness, one detailed brief, one Fable 5 session running multi-day. The senior shows up at the end to review the draft, not to do the draft. That's the unlock. Senior time stops being where the document gets written and starts being where the document gets judged. Job 2. The document pile. Every agency has it. The 30 client PDFs from onboarding, the contract attachments, the Q1 report you were supposed to summarize. Older models pretended to read PDFs and missed the half of the page that was a chart. Fable 5 is positioned as a vision-first model. Anthropic specifically names finance, legal, analytics, and architecture as the domains they built it for. It reads diagrams, charts, and tables nested inside PDFs. And, this is the part that matters, it cross-references its vision output against the source data. The hallucination flaw on document work just dropped. If your agency processes client documents, this is the day one job to pilot Fable on. Job 3. The Codebase. If your agency builds, this one's the biggest leap. Anthropic shipped the launch with a Stripe receipt, a 50 million line Ruby codebase, migrated Codebase wide in a single day. Work that would otherwise have taken roughly 2 months. Cursor calls Fable 5 state-of-the-art on their internal cursor bench. The pattern that makes this work isn't one-off prompts. It's long-running agent sessions inside Claude Code or Cursor, where Fable plans the migration, executes in stages, and verifies as it goes. For agencies doing client builds, Webflow rebuilds, GHL custom code, API integrations, this is the layer where senior dev hours collapse into review hours. Job 4. Research that ends in a deliverable, not a chat thread. Anthropic's product page is direct on this one. Fable 5 can work for days at a time, planning across stages, delegating subtasks to itself, checking its own work. The translation for agencies, competitive research for a new client, market scans before a pitch, deep dives on a vertical you've never sold into. The brief goes in once. The deliverable comes out at the end. You're not babysitting prompts for a week. The economics on this one are stark. 3 days of analyst time becomes 2 hours of senior review time, plus the API bill. Now, the part most reviews skip, the math. Fable 5 costs $10 per million input tokens and $50 per million output tokens. That's twice the price of Opus 4.8. So for daily ops, drafts, simple classification, keep using Sonnet or Haiku. The capability you don't use is just cost. But here's the math that flips it. In agency work, one senior day costs $400 to $1,000. A multi-day Fable session for a client audit, even running freely, comes out at maybe $40 to $100 in tokens. One avoided senior day pays for that session 10 to 20 times over. The question isn't, is Fable expensive? The question is what work you wouldn't otherwise have done at all, that's now in reach. And the setup pattern, because this is where most agencies will get it wrong. Don't use Fable 5 like a chat. Use it inside Claude Code or an agent harness. That's where the multi-day capability lives. Write the brief the way you'd brief a senior on day one of a project. Goal, audience, constraints, the shape of the deliverable, examples of good work, not the steps to get there. Then, Let Fable plan the steps itself. That's the shift. You stop telling AI what to do. You start telling it what good looks like. And until June 22nd, this all costs nothing extra inside a subscription plan, worth using that window to figure out where it fits in your stack before the meter turns on. That's how I'd actually use Claude Fable 5 in an agency this week. If you got value, subscribe. Weekly deep dives on the AI releases that matter for agencies and builders. And tell me in the comments which tool you want next. Cursor, N8N, the next OpenAI drop, whatever you're trying to figure out. I read everyone. See you in the next.